Another shocker from CMA Institute. This time CA and CMA exams have been clashed, and CMA Institute, historically it has always maintained, and all the great dignitaries have always tried and maintained. They have maintained the stand that come what may, the exams will not be clashing with the other institutes' exams, so that the students who are pursuing multiple courses don't face this difficulty. But this has been done away with this time, and CA and CMA exams have been clashed. Yes, CMA exams date sheets have been out. It's close to 12 midnight today when I am shooting the video, not in my best of my health today. And I am supposed to wake up in just 4 hours, 4 a.m. and undertake the 12 hours long journey tomorrow itself, because I am having a seminar. As you know that I am traveling in different parts of India. Anyways, now let us discuss the date sheet and my opinion and what you should do now. Okay. So, 8th of December, right guys, 8th of December is the exam date. It is the commencement of your exams when the intermediate and final both exams are starting from 8th of December. Okay, and from 8th of December to 15th of December, the intermediate and final examinations will be taking place. Obviously, the paper-wise routine is given. I'll be giving you the link of this notification in the description box and the comment box. Okay. So, Institute could have done the examination, in January first week, but what I feel that Institute wanted to balance between the October examination, which was surprisingly cancelled. So, Institute wanted to balance those October examinees with the December examinees. So, Institute must have thought that let us, commence it from 8th of December. So, now what you should do? Now, expecting these dates will remain constant and will not change. I am expecting that these dates remain the same. Okay, and let me see whether Institute has given any home based exam or offline or online, any clarification. Yes, so it is going to be online exams. Okay, the examinations will be online center based. Application form for intermediate and final examination has to be filled through online mode only. Okay, yes, we know that. And students who have chosen for opt-out for inter and final December 20 will remain the same for inter and final, which will be held in December 21. Do not apply again. Last date of receipt of examination application form is 8th of October. So you have to decide. Guys, you have to decide whether you want to appear in this December 21 exam. Then the last date of application is 8th of October. Okay. And boys and girls, the online center based exam is there. So there is no home based exam. Examination centers have been given. Okay, these are the examination centers, boys and girls. So Institute has fixed the examination centers. These are the examination centers. And you can comment in the comment box if your city is missing in these examination centers or you'll have to travel far, then you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Probable date of publication of result will be announced in due course, obviously. Right. And in case of any query or clarification, guys, if you want any query or clarification, they have given you the email ID. You can email at this given email ID for any kind of your query or clarification. So I hope the exams now will be held on these scheduled dates without any other surprises or shocks. And students who have added another group, those students who have added another group, trust me, still boys and girls, still you are having approximately 68 days. Okay, 67-68 days you are still having. And if you have added another group, intermediate students, for the final students, I told you not to add any other group. If the intermediate students have added another group, now they will have to again rework the strategy. Let me tell you, if you are confident about your group 1 preparation, because you have been preparing group 1 since last 1 year now, then you can continue with your group 2 preparations for these 2 months. Okay. Yes, boys and girls, you can continue with your group 2 preparation in even these 2 months. If your group 1 revisions are complete, then do continue with the group 2 revisions, group 2 classes. But if you are not confident about your group 1 revision, then does not matter. You can continue with your group 1 revision. In case you have taken the classes of group 2 from my institute and you do not want to appear in the December 21 examination, but let me give you a cutoff date in last 1 week, because the postponement or the cancellation of the October examination was announced last Sunday. So in last 1 week, I am giving this facility to all my students. In last 1 week, if you have taken tuitions from us regarding your second module, and if you want to discontinue those tuitions, okay, we'll pause your video. We will pause your video, and the moment you give your exams on 15th December, then your validity will start from 16th of December. Okay, so chill. But again, I would say that yes, it is quite possible that within 45 to 50 days you can complete your group 2 preparation, and simultaneously you can give both the groups, okay, if you have completed your group 1 earlier. But if you're in the last week you have added another group from us, and if you're not confident, and because examinations are going to be held from 8th December, then only those students who have taken admission in last 1 week, don't mail us if you have not taken admission in the last 1 week. Only if you have taken admission in last 1 week, you can email us, okay, and we will pause your views, we will pause your validity, and your tenure and duration will start counting from 16th of December. Okay, so do mail us. Remember, I just, for the sake of saying, I don't say that I am always with you till the very last. I am with you till the very last. Okay, so all the best, and I hope the examinations are conducted from these scheduled dates. Okay, take care, lots of love, bye bye. Do share this video with all and press the like button.